Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video we're going to divide fractions. So let's look at number 1. We have 3/4 divided by 1/3. Couple things you need to know when you divide fractions, so I'm going to give you a little bit of vocab to start. So right here, this 3/4, the number that's being divided, is called the dividend. The 1/3 that's doing the dividing is called the divisor. And this result, whatever we're going to get right here, that's called the quotient. The reason why this is important is mostly because of the divisor. In fraction division, we are going to change it to multiplication and flip the divisor. And when we flip the divisor, what it's called is we're writing the reciprocal of the divisor. So reciprocal. Hopefully I spelled that correctly. So, but all you basically need to know is we're going to flip this, okay? So let's get about doing that. And let me just clear out some of this stuff here, and we'll get to the problem. All right. Nope, let's go forward. Okay, so what we're going to do here, as you might have seen where I was filming this video from before, but anyways, so what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this as 3/4 times the reciprocal of 1/3, which is going to be 3/1. Okay, so we're going to multiply the numerators across the top part of the fraction. So 3 times 3 is 9. And we're going to multiply the bottom part of the fraction. 4 times 1, that's 4. So we get 9/4. We can change that to a mixed number if we want. So let's divide 9 by 4. 4 goes into 9 twice. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So we have 2 with a remainder of 1, which we can write as a mixed number as 2 and 1/4. Okay, so we're good with that one. Let's take a look at this one. We have 5/6 divided by 5/11. So we're going to change this. I'm going to write it as 5/6 times the reciprocal of the divisor, so times 11/5. Now, I did make a short on fraction multiplication using cancellation. What you can see here is these 5s, we can cancel these out and just write 1. So cancel this out, write 1. So I'm going to do 1 times 11 is just 11. And then 6 times 1 is just 6. 6 goes into 11 once, and the remainder of that would be 5. So we can write this as 1 and 5/6. Hopefully this is making sense at this point. What I'm going to do now is clear out the screen, and then what we can do is work on 3 and 4. You can pause the video before 3 and 4 and try these yourself to make sure you're getting it. Okay, so let me bring up my eraser here. Bear with me on this. So we get rid of all this stuff. Cool. And I'll go back to the writing tool there. All right, so let's look at 3. So we have 2/7 divided by 2/5. So maybe pause the video now and try it out. Okay, you good? All right, so we're going to write this as 2/7 times the reciprocal of the divisor, so times 5/2. You notice this one we can simplify a bit. I can divide both 2 and the 2 here by 2 and get 1. So I'm going to do that. And 1 times 5 is 5. 7 times 1 is 7. So we are good. Okay. Hopefully you got that one. If not, take a snapshot because I'm going to erase it right now. Okay, let's take a look at this last one. 10/11ths divided by 5/8. So take a moment now, pause the video if you need to, and try and solve it. Okay, you ready? Let's go. So we have 10/11ths, and we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor, so times 8/5. We can do some cancellation before we multiply. So both 10 and 5 are divisible by 5. If I divide 5 by 5, I get 1. If I divide 10 by 5, I get 2. So we can simplify this off before we multiply. 2 times 8 is 16. 11 times 1 is 11. 11 goes into 16 once with a remainder of 5, so I can write this as 1 and 5/11ths. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. Also, check out my links to Teacher Pay Teachers in the description. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.